Welcome to my channel. That's World. Like, share, subscribe.
Assalamu alaikum viewers. Hope you are fine. Let's start. How to convert a text to stamp. With simple steps. Open new document, Ctrl+N, and hit OK. Unlock the layer by pressing the lock button in layer style. Go to Google and search any text that does not support Adobe Photoshop. Open the image you like. Now just drag the image to Adobe Photoshop and drop. You can write text on any software. Take a screenshot of that text by pressing print screen on your keyboard and paste it in Adobe Photoshop by pressing Ctrl+V. By rectangular marquee tool M, select the image and press Ctrl+J for a new layer. Delete the previous layer. Convert to Smart Object by left-click on the enabled layer. Go to Filter, Camera Raw Filter, select the White Balance tool. Hold Alt and set the white balance by dragging white and black button. Go to Select Color Range. Sampled colors must be shadows. Selection Preview. Grayscale. Set the fuzziness and range to your liking and then press OK. Open new document. Ctrl+N, copy the selected image by pressing Ctrl+C. Paste the selected image to new document by pressing Ctrl+V. Go to Edit, select Define Brush Preset, name your brush, and viewers, now our stamp is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video, and hope you learn something along the way. Be sure to click subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. That's World.